Biryani, of course. So many types, so many varieties. But today we are cheating. We're not going to make biryani from scratch. We don't have time. But you watched our Mutton Masala video. We're going to take the gravy from that video and then we are going to cheat our way into one of the most fantastic biryanis you have ever eaten. Stay tuned. You're watching the Biao's channel. Ata's Easy Biryani. Here are the ingredients. Take a look. About 4 to 5 cups of basmati rice, some ghee or clarified butter, a handful of peas, 2 tablespoons of raisins and a few cashew nuts, 1 carrot, 2 to 3 onions, 3 red chilies, a tomato and some cilantro leaves or coriander leaves. Also, you will be needing 1.5 cup of the mutton masala gravy. We will be boiling some eggs to be served later, salt, water. Here we go. Follow the instructions of the biryani rice that you buy, basmati rice. According to our packaging, it says a ratio of 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water, but soak it for 25 minutes in water and then rinse it off. As you can see here, my grandmother is preparing all the vegetables. She was chopping the carrots, the red chilies and tomatoes, and now she's chopping the onions. So just take a look. Now everything is ready. It's as easy as chucking everything in the pan and putting it in the rice cooker. Trust me. Heat some oil in a wok and add 5 to 8 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee and start sauteing the onions only to a light fragrant golden brown. We want to absorb the flavor of the onion into the oil, so don't let it burn and start with some low flames. Now add the cashew nuts and raisins and wait for it to turn a little golden brown and until the raisins just bubble up like this and turn into its full grape size. Set everything aside and we will be garnishing this once the rice is almost done in the rice cooker. Okay. Now, in the same oil, add the red chilies, green peas and the julienne carrots. And julienne means to cut into finger-sized pieces. Do not brown the vegetables, just make them soft and mellow. That's the idea. Now we have already taken away the water from the rice. It's nice and soft and rinsed. We're going to add 1.5 to 2 cups of mutton masala gravy. Make sure you watch that video so you know how to make it, and add the correct amount of water based on your basmati rice packet. Add the vegetables along with the ghee. That is the major flavor component. Give everything a good mix and cook based on the instructions. Don't forget to add salt. Now, here we have some boiled eggs. Normally biryani is served with a boiled egg on the side. My grandmother adds vinegar and salt while she's boiling the eggs because she claims that it doesn't crack the eggs. It kind of works. Okay, once you have done the rice, garnish and you are ready to serve. What a delicious, delicious, easy biryani. But you have to make the mutton masala first. Enjoy. We will be seeing you with another video.